TikTok has taken the internet by storm. The short form video app has over 800 million active users and is quickly becoming one of the most popular social media platforms. It's no surprise then that marketers are eager to jump on the TikTok bandwagon and start promoting their products and their services. But how do you actually make money on TikTok? Well, keep watching to find out. But before we jump into it, I do want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing. Now, this has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate online income through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description or in my profile so you can check it out. All right, here's the first way that you can make money on TikTok. Make shoppable videos. One of the best ways to make money on TikTok is to create these shoppable videos. In other words, videos that contain links to your product or website. These videos can be in the form of a product tutorial or unboxing video, or even just a casual post showing off your products. To make a shoppable video, all you need to do is film yourself using or talking about your product. Then add a link in the video description. When people click the link, they'll be taken to your website or your online store where they can purchase the product. Number two is to use hashtags and trending topics. Another great way to make money on TikTok is to take advantage of hashtags and trending topics. Now, hashtags help people find content that's relevant to their interests, and trending topics are topics that are popular at the moment. By using both hashtags and trending topics in your videos, you can reach a wider audience and get more people interested in what you're selling. Number three is to collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to reach a new audience and promote your products or your services at the same time. When you collaborate with another creator, you can share each other's audiences and get exposure to people who wouldn't have otherwise seen your content. To find collaborators, start by following creators who are making content similar to what you would make. Then reach out to them and see if they're interested in working together. If they are, great. And if not, move on and find someone else to collaborate with. Number four is become an influencer. If you have a large following on TikTok, you can make money by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. You can even get paid to attend events and do meet and greets. The key to becoming an influencer is to produce high quality content that engages your audience and grows your following. Number five is to sell products through affiliate marketing. If you have your own product or service that you want to sell on TikTok, you can do so through affiliate marketing. This means that you partner with other TikTok users who have a large following and get them to promote your product in their videos. When someone uses your affiliate link to make a purchase, you earn a commission. This is a great way to reach a larger audience and make sales without even having to put together your own marketing campaign. Number six is use TikTok ads. Another way to make money on TikTok is by running ads. TikTok offers a variety of ad formats, including in-feed video ads, brand takeovers, and hashtag challenges. You can use these ads to promote your own products or services or those of another company. Ads are a great way to reach a large number of people and generate leads and sales. However, they can be expensive, so be sure to set a budget before you get started. So there are many ways to make money on TikTok. If you have a large following, you can become an influencer and partner with brands. You could also sell products through affiliate marketing or use TikTok ads to promote your products. Whatever method you choose, be sure to produce high quality content and set a budget before you get started. Now, if you want to learn how to do this the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description or in my profile for my number one recommendation for getting started in affiliate marketing and making money on TikTok. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with online marketing. It's the training and mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description or in my profile. There's no pressure. It's totally up to you. You're going to do great.